When I'm on my bike, I feel free. It can take me wherever I want to go and can help me escape from everything and anything. I use it as my therapy. When I'm stressed, I go cycling. Happy, I go cycling. Angry, I go cycling. I basically cycle as much as humanly possible. So I use it as a massive coping mechanism to get outside, to be outside, which is always great. Cycling I've done since I was a kid, whether it be getting to school and back or to the shops and back. And as I got older, that passion grew and grew. And to be honest, it's just getting outside in the amazing scenery that we have to offer here in Cape Town. After a ride, I tend to feel amazing. Even if it's been a really strenuous ride, I'm almost more invigorated to go into the day than I was if I didn't go for a ride that morning. I look to my bike, and my bike is part of me. Cycling for women has grown tenfold in the last 2 years. Coming into a male-dominated sport is, of course, a very difficult thing to do, but I think that the entire world has embraced female cycling, whether it be the Tour de Femme or female-specific starting groups in other races. Everyone is embracing it and really, really helping the women shine, and I think the world is really opening up to that. I just encourage everyone to start the journey. You don't need to be cycling hundreds of kilometers a week. My name is Tarryn Povey, and I live in Cape Town, South Africa.